If you've ever tried to paint a door with a brush, you know it can be a real pain. It's difficult to get an even coat, and it's easy to leave brush marks. But with a spray gun, you can get a professional-looking finish in a fraction of the time. So, what's the best sprayer for painting doors? In this video, we'll cover the different types of sprayers available, as well as the key features to look for when choosing a sprayer for painting doors. We'll also review some of the top sprayers on the market and give you our recommendations. Number 1. MYOKSTLI PQ002 Paint Sprayer. This sprayer is powered by a 700 watts motor, which gives it plenty of power to spray even the thickest of paints. It has a 1200 milliliter container, which means you can spend less time refilling and more time spraying. The sprayer comes with 3 different nozzles, 1.5 millimeter, 2.2 millimeter, and 2.6 millimeter. This gives you the flexibility to spray a variety of different materials. Number 2. TGBOX GJDPQ535 Paint Sprayer. It comes with 4 nozzle sizes: 1.5 millimeter, 1.8 millimeter, 2.2 millimeter, and 2.6 millimeter, and 3 spray patterns to give you the flexibility to tackle any painting project. Sprayer has a number of upgraded features, including a rear foam pad to prevent paint from flowing back, and a cleaning brush and needle to help you remove any residual paint from the nozzle. Number 3. Rrtizan PS800 Paint Sprayer. The PS800 has a powerful 800 watts motor that provides excellent atomization and accuracy. This means that you can achieve a smooth, even finish on any project. It comes with 3 different spray patterns and 3 interchangeable copper nozzles. It has an adjustable flow control knob that allows you to control the amount of paint that is sprayed. Number 4. BUENDIO TPX01 Paint Sprayer. The sprayer comes with 5 different size brass nozzles so that you can choose the right one for your project. The sprayer has a powerful 700 watts motor with temperature protection. The sprayer uses HVLP technology. It also comes with a cleaning brush and needle to make it easy to clean after use. Number 5. VONFORN VF820 Paint Sprayer. The VONFORN VF820 comes with 4 different size nozzles for versatility. It offers 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. It boasts an 800-watt high-speed motor combined with a powerful turbofan. This means faster and more even painting, which ultimately leads to a professional quality finish. Number 6. YATTICH T201 Paint Sprayer. The sprayer can be adjusted to 3 different spray patterns and comes with 5 different nozzles. The upgraded 700 watts motor offers high efficiency and saves both time and energy. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of painting projects, from furniture to cars to fences. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about painting doors with a spray gun, please leave them in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and tutorials.